Okay, welcome to Monsters Inc. We have two slightly different, or they certainly look slightly different, versions of our monster game, our very simple monster game that we're looking at in Lab 1. Over on this side, I'm just zooming in and looking at it in our lively environment. And over here, I'm looking at it in JS Fiddle, just focusing on the result window of JS Fiddle. So I've just zoomed in here to give you a sense of the fact that we're looking at the same thing but in two different environments. Now, the thing that I really wanted to clarify is that, if I go to my view, I'm in Chrome right now, but other browsers allow you to do this too. I just want to go to my developer tools. This is the window that I have active right now, and I wanted to look at developer tools in Lively. I also want to do the same thing. I'm going to go to view and developer tools over here in JS Fiddle. And the point is just to show you that though these environments will be different in terms of development and what gets done for you, under the hood we still have the same kind of elements. We have some HTML and we have some CSS over here in Lively. Now you're going to find out that a lot of this gets generated for you, which is very nice. And then over here we're looking at some of the HTML and CSS as we would see it in JS Fiddle. Slight differences, and we're not gonna dive in deeply. It's just to show you that under the hood, if we look at, say, resources here in our developer tools in each of these environments, what you're going to see is, yeah, you know what? This powerful thing that's out there on the web that allows you to do all sorts of apps and games and that kind of stuff, they all boil down to the same key components. And though different tools offer you different ways to be able to, activate all the power that's out there, you're going to see that ultimately understand you the power to be able to use environments that do a lot of the work for you. and we again want to be able to focus on where the rubber hits the road, and we're going to take a look at this in the lab that, gee, making changes to the model, the view, the controller are different in these different environments, but at the end of the day we end up having the same kind of thing, something that's on the web that people that can use, like a web app, and you can actually do a lot of things, the script portion of it all. So that's where we're going to go to next, but for right now, just understand that key way that Model View Controller plays out in each, and you'll be able to get hands-on experience in the lab on that.